Important genuinely overrides real normal specificity rules entirely, but actually causes real maintenance problems at scale. In this video you'll see why it's a real last resort. This real ID selector genuinely has high specificity, normally the actual real winner here. Important genuinely overrides even the higher specificity ID rule above. Blue actually wins despite class normally losing to ID. Using important to fight another, important genuinely creates a real, unmaintainable escalation, a real anti-pattern to avoid. Important genuinely overrides normal specificity rules. Overusing it genuinely leads to real, unmaintainable specificity wars. Prefer real, more specific selectors over important almost always. Refactor a real, important rule to win via specificity instead. Ready for a real tour of modern CSS 3 features?